Well, it's raining and we're gonna have a fire, but
the only thing I have is Harry Potter. I can read to everyone if everyone wishes.
That sounds like an absolute nightmare.
I'm Linc, and this is my life. Today's the day. Camping.
Today's the day. It's gonna go super smooth.
Super smooth.
Yep. Can't wait to set up this tent.
Look at that.
Sure. All right, let's load it in, I guess.
Yep.
It's not gonna fit. Going camping. Yep.
How long is this? 1 hour? Hold it. Get close. Dad, get close.
The daddy cat.
No, you can pick one.
Okay.
Everyone got a water bottle?
Yeah. Sure.
All right, getting ready to ride.
Mom's not here.
Getting ready to go camp.
Oh, we got Mom.
Oh,
All right, let's go.
Oh, it'll stop, I'm sure.
Perfect camping weather. Just the sun shower. Made it.
all right. So we're at the campsite. We got a campsite here. We just got here like couple seconds ago. So yeah, we're gonna get all the stuff unloaded. Yeah. I did not mean to. I didn't mean to. I was trying to wash my hands. I didn't know it was that powerful. Where are you going?
Wearing your Crocs? Mm-hmm. For Linc Life.
You got the right.
There's gonna be so much room in our 8-person tent. You know what we're gonna do with all the spare space?
We're only 2 adults and 3 children. We don't need room for activities.
Did they bring your traps?
No.
Here we go. Bring wood.
Very good.
Brad, did you see the ARCAVD?
Yes.
What?
Love that, Dad.
What? What'd Dad do?
Yeah.
What is it?
Can we get a camper?
Yes.
Is this one and only? One and done?
All right, tent's almost pretty done. Just need to hammer it in. Just need to hammer it in. Hammer, 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 hammer. Here's what the inside looks like.
There's a fly in there already.
I didn't hear that.
Yeah, I know. Hello.
What's up?
What's up, Brad?
Everybody need to pee?
What's up, Brad?
Dad.
What is this?
Okay, so we have a single air mattress for Lincoln and a sleeping bag. The girls are sharing a double mattress with 2 sleeping bags. This is Daddy's single mattress for himself. And this one is mine. A queen with a
There
duvet.
might be a green pea under there. The princess might detect it.
We're making fun of mommy's mattress. Comforts from home.
What?
Unicorn dead.
I like my unicorn sheets. Can't sleep without them. It is hot in here.
Why is it so hot?
Because
I hope it
but
gets
it'll
cold.
be cold in here tonight. Jelly bean roll.
You burning? Link's gone. See you, Link.
We're at the campsite if you guys are wondering. I know it's campsite video.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Camping. Oh, my kneecaps. Happened to your drink?
I throwed it by accident. It burst open.
Yep. Perrier everywhere. Perrier?
Not much best for you, Linky.
You know we're gonna set this all up on YouTube.
Oh, I just watched one of yours.
Which one? Well, you're probably gonna watch camping.
I
I'm
watched the
going
one where
to
you're on your new
elaborate.
flag.
Well, it's raining and we're gonna have a fire, but guess not. It's raining.
We can have a fire rain party.
Fire rain party.
Yeah.
But if we have a fire, then the rain will blow it out.
Well,
Well, the rain might stop now.
ground.
The only thing I have is Harry Potter. I can read to everyone if everyone wishes.
That sounds like an absolute nightmare.
Oh,
Mom, it stopped raining.
that's better then.
Hey, Link. Well, this 8-person tent sleeps 5 uncomfortably.
Stop raining. Stop raining. Now we're having a fire. Don't stop raining. Now we're having a fire. All right. We'll load the fire. Goes. There we go. All the wood there. Fire ready. We got the fire. Fire going. Well, we definitely need it a bit bigger. No, that's what we're doing. Here, if you want to get closer view. Here. Nice, isn't it? Cut some more wood up, I guess. We're in the tent. We're just cutting up some wood, doing stuff, you know.
Well, like 4 grand more now.
Where's my stick? Anybody want popcorn?
I just burnt one of mine. Alright, Mom, look how perfect this one is.
You don't want to eat that, bro?
Here you go.
Oh.
Tell me, what'd you do?
Nothing.
What's this? Marshmallows.
Marshmallow egg.
Did you drop them?
Nope. Chuma, chuma.
Hey, look, I am.
I see
I
that.
actually did not mean to do that. I was on the bases. One person hit the bat, hit the coach right in the face.
Oh no.
No way.
Yeah.
You okay? With the
No,
bat?
he didn't. That's all.
Got out, this was a big beaver.
Was that right?
A beaver!
Seriously?
Up on the road.
You ran over it?
We ran over a beaver. I thought we had the Fort Arrow, so it beat right to pieces.
I'd say you did. That's your size.
What happened? Like, what happened to him?
Well,
He died?
I think he ran off.
You died.
Passed away later.
You can't remember. I went back with
I was trying to stop it.
This better be the last bathroom break of the evening.
Yeah. Must be the last bath. I am a monster.
Oh, it's pouring.
Oh, you got my feet wet. No. I got my feet wet.
It's a thunder shower.
Yeah. So we got caught by rain when we were going to the bathroom, and then when we run back, we heard thunder. And then we were in our tents, brought all our stuff in the tent, and then we're gonna stay in here for bed. Well, we had fire and went great.
You did go great,
And see you tomorrow.
I'll still be awake when I see you in the morning.
My
This is wet. Look, see?
Feels wet. Back to the bathroom.
Yeah, I squeeze it like this and it
Okay.
Is this your first time?
Their first time, yeah. Their first time ever sitting in tent. And they did a good job.
Right after breakfast, we're gonna pack up, get ready to leave, and then we're gonna send another video.
Chill out. Get in your seat. Get in your seat.
You forgot. You was there, remember? You and
Stand ready.
their blanket?
All right. Camping is over. We're all packed up, ready to go.
Yeah.
All right. Camping out.
It went okay, though. It went good.
It did go. Yeah, you hold bottom. Keep going.